All right, we've been in nature for 3-4 days now with no resources. Found this hut to spend most of my time in. It's been tough out there. But we've just been hunting after the great black bear, the mighty black bear. He has been truly elusive. We must do what we must do to capture and befriend the great and mighty black bear. Well, like I said, I just found this structure. Could have been here for the last 200-300 years. I'm not sure. But anyways, I'll catch you guys next time.